The PSMA11 sterile cold kit is supplied as a kit for preparation of radio-labeled gallium-68 PSMA11. The kit is supplied with different configurations to accommodate the different gallium-68 sources. The kit contains one PSMA11 sterile vial, one sterile acetate buffer vial, one sterile vacuum vial, one needleless transfer device, one swappable vial adapter, one 10 ml syringe, and one swappable tubing. The radionuclide is not part of the kit. The contents of the kit before preparation are not radioactive. However, after gallium-68 chloride is added, adequate shielding of the final preparation must be maintained. Preliminary remarks. Wear waterproof gloves at all times during preparation and quality control of gallium-68 PSMA from PSMA11 sterile cold kit. Remove the flip-off disc from the PSMA11 sterile vial, sterile acetate buffer vial, and sterile vacuum vial. Swab the top of each vial with alcohol to disinfect the surface and allow the stoppers to dry. Transfer of gallium-68 into sterile vacuum vial. Step 1. Remove the cover from the swappable vial adapter package. Don't remove the swappable vial adapter from the blister package. Step 2. Attach the swappable vial adapter to the sterile vacuum vial using the blister package as a holder. Seat the swappable vial adapter on the sterile vacuum vial by pushing down until the spike penetrates the rubber stopper and the swappable vial adapter snaps in place. Step 3. Remove and discard the blister package. Step 4. Take the swappable tubing from its package and attach it to the swappable vial adapter. Step 5. Place the sterile vacuum vial in a suitable dispensing shield. Step 6. Generator elution process. Connect the generator to the inlet. Aseptically transfer up to 1.85 gigabecquerel of gallium-68 inside the sterile vacuum vial through the swappable tubing. Transfer of PSMA11 and acetate buffer into the sterile vacuum vial. Step 1. Remove the cover from the needleless transfer device package. Don't remove the needleless transfer device from the blister package. Step 2. Place the device on top of the sterile acetate buffer vial using the blister package as a holder. Seat the device on the sterile acetate buffer vial by pushing down until the spike penetrates the rubber stopper and the device snaps in place. Be sure to keep the pursed vial always on the table surface. Remove the needleless transfer device from the blister package and discard the package. Step 3. Insert the sterile acetate buffer vial with the needleless transfer device attached. Seat the open end of the device on the PSMA11 sterile vial by pushing down until the spike penetrates the rubber stopper and the device snaps in place. The acetate buffer will flow into the PSMA sterile vial. Step 4. Gently swirl the vial to make sure the product is thoroughly mixed. Step 5. Remove the cap from the lure connector. Step 6. Connect the 10 ml syringe to the lure locker connector by turning it clockwise. Step 7. Turn the system so the PSMA11 sterile vial is on top. Pull back on the plunger to withdraw the solution. Step 8. Remove the syringe from the device. Radio labeling and quality control. Step 1. Attach the 10 ml syringe containing the PSMA11 dissolved in the acetate buffer to the swappable tubing and transfer its content inside the sterile vacuum vial. Step 2. Wait for 5 minutes for the radio labeling to take place. Step 3. Attach a new syringe to the swappable tubing and collect 50 microliters of the vial to perform the QC test. After, remove the syringe from the swappable tubing. Step 4. Perform the quality control tests. Step 5. If the quality control test is within the product specifications, patient doses can be withdrawn.